Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have Rancilio Silvia, and this machine was brought in because a customer reported the water was either too hot or too cold when it was coming out of the group head. And this is because a set of thermostats, there's a total of 3 that are on the boiler, were not working correctly. And so sometimes they, were just not sensing how hot the boiler was, and so allowing it to overheat when it shouldn't, and at other times thinking it's too hot, and so it would just not allow electricity to the heating element and it would be too cold. But we've replaced them all, and now the temperatures are holding as they should, so we'll test it. Looking good. The pour is a little fast, but you can tell that the temperature is right based on the look of the shot. And we're going to stop at about 2 ounces. There we go. Rancilio Silvia, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.